Good afternoon and welcome to the Midday News for Friday, July 10. I am Carrie Simpson. Here's what we have in the bulletin. The Jamaica Constabulary Force plunged into mourning following a fatal motor vehicle crash of one of its members. Montego Bay Police Division optimistic about Dream Weekend safety. And later in sports, Spain battles Belgium in second quarter final match at the FIFA World Cup this afternoon at 2. Thank you for joining us. Now the details. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is mourning the loss of one of its members following a fatal motor vehicle crash along the Swansea Main Road in Tollgate, Clarendon early this morning. Reported that shortly after 5 a.m., Constable Davy was traveling west when bystanders discovered his overturned vehicle in nearby bushes. Constable Davy was assigned to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch PSTEB in Manchester.
Situation that is really causing deep distress among members of the division right now, for which we have to be seeking counseling, to assist members who are actually facing this kind of situation right now. He's a very dedicated, well-committed member. He is always enthusiastic about his work, and the contribution that he brought to the table, in the kind of service that he delivers is really very good. And as such, he will be missed.
Now, the circumstances surrounding the crash remain unclear. Investigations are underway. The St. James Police Division has provided details of plans to keep residents and visitors safe during the highly anticipated Dream Weekend Party series next month. Head of the Police Division, SSP Aaron Samuels, addressed the issue of safety and security at the recently held Municipal Corporation meeting.
The 2026 staging of Dream Weekend is slated for July 30 to August 3. The 5-day premier destination festival is expected to see thousands of local and international patrons flock Montego Bay for the first time in 16 years. But with St. James recording a 25% increase in murders since the start of the year, safety concerns are growing. Head of the St. James Police Division, SSP Aaron Samuel, says the uptick is merely marginal.
Last year this time we are at 30 and we're at 37. Nothing to be alarmed about. If you really think back 4 years ago, we would have been at 140 plus at this time.
SSP Aaron Samuel says all systems are in place to ensure that the police is present. Well, he's also appealing to residents to work with the police.
If you see anything that is untoward, let us know early. In terms of traffic management, we will be out in our numbers. We are also looking to get assistance from outside of the parish to ensure that the movement of patrons and the regular motoring public moves as smoothly as possible.
SSP Samuel says teams will be deployed in advance to accommodate airport movements as persons will start coming in at least a week earlier.
This will see us really pushing hard to ensure that both from persons coming outside of the parish into the parish and those moving in and around, that we will assist in moving things smoothly. We will definitely see an influx in economic activity right across the parish. What also comes with economic activity are persons looking to capitalize on this negatively. So we are asking for business owners to work with the police to ensure that we are aware of any incidents that may become problematic whilst the week continues.
He expressed optimism about the safety of the event. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
Over in Manchester, the Manchester police are investigating the fatal shooting of a man at his home in Trinity District near Porus. The deceased has been identified as 57-year-old Andrew Williams. Mr. Williams' body bearing what appeared to be gunshot wounds was discovered by relatives who went to check on him about 11 o'clock Thursday morning. His brother, Gerard Williams, says the family is struggling to come to terms with the killing.
A generous person, very kind, very loving. In fact, we're from a family of 11, and he's the first to have passed in this tragic way. Their one son, we call him Andrew, has been a brother who is passionate about family. He has 3 sons, yes, and he just loves people.
I'm so sad to know that he has gone down in this way. He has passed through so many sicknesses, so many. He has gotten about 2 or 3 strokes, and he got overhit with this heart condition and other conditions. You understand me? And this is what take him out take his life. We weren't expecting this, but as I always say, God never fails.
The St. Mary police are investigating the death of a man who turned up at the Port Maria Hospital with a stab wound yesterday evening. He has been identified as 46-year-old Rajesh Kishore Allen of Huddersfield in the parish. The police say about 9:12 p.m. Mr. Allen arrived at the hospital with a wound to his chest. He was immediately taken to the accident and emergency department, where he died while being treated. Anyone with information who can assist the investigation is being asked to contact the Port Maria Criminal Investigations Branch at 876-994-4222 or 876-333-9530. Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station. The Meteorological Service is warning that strong to very strong winds will continue to affect Jamaica and its territorial waters through the weekend, with most severe conditions expected today and tomorrow. The Met Service says a low-level jet stream across the Caribbean Sea has been generating windy conditions across Jamaica since earlier this week and is forecast to persist through Saturday. The agency said the system is expected to move closer to the island, bringing very strong and possibly gale-force winds, particularly across southern parishes and southern marine areas, including the Pedro and Morant banks. Now, fishers and other marine interests, especially those operating along the south coast, are being urged to exercise extreme caution at this time.